In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with AI blocks in Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that helps teams run processes, projects, and everyday work with ease. Today, we'll focus on utilizing AI blocks to enhance your workflow and productivity. We'll break this down into simple steps, so even if you're new to Monday.com, you'll find this tutorial approachable and straightforward. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is your main gateway to access all the productive tools Monday.com has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. It's important to ensure you're logged into your account to access your boards and make any necessary changes. After clicking Login, you'll see options for how you'd like to proceed with your login. For ease and speed, I'd recommend using your Google account. Simply click on the Google icon and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile. If you're already logged in through your browser, this process will be even quicker. Now that you're into your account, navigate to your board from the left panel within Monday.com. This panel serves as your control hub, where you can access different parts of your workspace. Clicking on your board brings you directly to the area where you manage specific projects or tasks. Once on your board, identify where you'd like to incorporate AI functionality and locate the table where you want to add a new column. To do this, simply look for the plus icon. This will allow you to add a new column to your table. Adding a column is essential as it prepares the space where the AI block will function. In the column options, you'll see an icon named More Columns. Click on this to view a broader range of column types. Within this menu, you'll notice a tab labeled AI Powered. Click on this tab to explore the various AI block options available. These blocks can augment your data analysis, automate tasks, and generally streamline your workflow. Now, take some time to peruse the AI block options available and decide which one suits your needs best. Each AI block is designed for specific purposes such as predictive analytics, data processing, or automation, so select according to what you aim to accomplish in your workflow. Upon deciding, it's time to integrate your chosen AI block onto your board. Click on the button that says Add to Board to incorporate the block into your setup. Doing this allows the AI functionalities to interact directly with the data on your board. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully started using AI blocks in Monday.com, enhancing your productivity and efficiency with the power of artificial intelligence. Happy organizing, and remember, practice makes perfect with these new tools.